Perfectly placed on over 2.5 acres in a quiet cul-de-sac, this stunning brick and tile 5-bedroom property offers everything a family could ask for. With a versatile floor plan and multiple living areas to explore, you'll also love the sparkling in-ground saltwater pool and your very own motorbike track for the kids. Welcome to 20 Llarian Drive, Gowrie. Situated just 5 minutes from the CBD of Singleton, this property offers peaceful rural living with the convenience of shops and amenities just moments away. Don't miss out on this wonderful opportunity.